Welcome to the module on Introduction to Amazon Seller Central. Amazon Seller Central is the web interface for sellers to manage their seller account and grow their business on Amazon. Log into Amazon Seller Central with your registered email ID and password. On the top section, we have various tabs for navigating to the Amazon Seller Central features. The first tab is Catalog, wherein you have options to add products, complete your drafts, view or submit selling applications for selling in different categories. The Inventory tab will help you manage your inventory, add products, and also provide information on how to sell your products globally. Under the Pricing tab, you can use the Automate Pricing tool to provide competitive prices across your entire catalog to meet your business needs. The Orders tab will provide you with the detailed information on orders received, returns, and also download order reports for your reference from here. The Advertising tab contains the Campaign Manager, which will help you create ads to potentially increase visibility. You can also create coupons, deals, and A+ listing from here. The Reports tab is the place where sellers can download payments, business, and tax reports for their reference and taxation purposes. Under the Performance tab, you will get an overview of how are you performing as a seller by clicking on Account Health. The Voice of Customer section helps identify product issues highlighted by the customers and prompts them to take actions to fix the same. We highly recommend you to visit Seller University to learn all about selling on Amazon by watching informational videos and also attend the training programs. Under the Apps and Services tab, you can find the list of apps to automate your daily tasks and explore services like imaging, cataloging, and many others provided by Amazon's trusted service providers to enhance your product quality and potential business growth on Amazon. The B2B tab will help you serving Amazon business customers who usually order in bulk. On the top right corner, we have the search bar or the help section, which guides you to specific help pages to help you learn more about Amazon processes and tools. Buyer seller messages option is crucial for sellers to keep a tab on and respond to the customer queries within 24 hours. Under the Settings tab, you get access to all your account settings, including contact information, notification preferences, permissions for different users for your account, shipping settings, and default settings for various account features. Below the Navigation tab, you can notice various cards like News, other relevant section where you can keep yourself updated with the latest Amazon news and important notifications for your account. Below this space, you can find various widgets on the left and right of the screen. These widgets are designed to give you high-level insights on various aspects of your seller account. You can customize your Seller Central experience by expanding, collapsing, and moving widgets around as per your preferences. I hope this video was useful for you to understand the options available in your seller account. Thank you and happy selling on Amazon.